friends, once again welcome back in our educational channel, that is Milinda's Ideas. Friends, in previous video lecture we had studied multiplexing tree, and in this video lecture we are going to start the second topic of that combinational logic chapter, and that part or that section is demultiplexer. So friends, first of all, what is multiplexer? Multiplexer is a circuit or is a device which has more than one input and only one output, and there are set of control lines. That set of control lines decides the data terminal or input terminal to which the data is connected. That data is fed to the output terminal. That is multiplexer. It is also known as data selector, because this circuit selects the data and fed to the output terminal. That is about the multiplexer. And in this lecture we are going to study demultiplexer. So what is a demultiplexer? Demultiplexer is exactly opposite of multiplexer. The action of demultiplexer is exactly opposite of action of multiplexer. In multiplexer we are going to select the input and fed to the output terminals, but in that demultiplexer there is only single input and many outputs. That means demultiplexer is a combinational circuit which has only one input and there are many outputs, and the input data that is connected to the particular output terminals by using, once again, there are set of control lines or there are select lines. That select lines or that control lines decides or select the output terminal to which the input data should be connected. So that is demultiplexer. So in case of demultiplexer, data is distributed between the output terminals. So demultiplexer is also known as data distributor. Multiplexer, that is data selector; demultiplexer, data distributor. It is going to distribute the data. So that is demultiplexer. So friends, demultiplexer ची आपल्याला ब्लॉक डायग्राम स्टडी करायची आहे. तुमच्या समोरचा ब्लॉक डिस्प्ले होतोय. सेम सिमिलर टू मार्क्स आपण एक ब्लॉक घेतला. इन दिस केस देयर इज अ सिंगल इनपुट. मी आपला एक इनपुट इथे डिस्प्ले झाला I, that is a input. There are set of control lines. There are number of output lines, and these output lines, पहिली जी आली ती आली आपली Y0, second output that is Y1, next that is Y2, next Y3, ... There are n number of output lines. So in this demultiplexer there are n number of output lines. Similar to mux, in mux there are n number of input lines and there is only one output line, but in this case the operation or the function of demultiplexer is exactly opposite of multiplexer. So in this case there are n number of output lines and only one input lines. Similar to mux, there are set of control lines. So first control line, that is S0, display झाले. Second control line, that is a select line, that is a S1. Next, that is a S2 and ... that is Sn. Last जी आपली आली ती आली आपली Sn. So in this case there are also m number of control lines and n number of output lines. So हा जो demux आला आपला, it has only one input and n number of outputs, so it is known as 1:n demux. It is 1:n demux. आता मित्रांनो काय केलं आपण, तर मगाशीच म्हटलं आपण की in demultiplexer also there are set of control lines, there are set of select line. That select lines or that control line select the output terminal to which the input data should be connected. Input data has to be connected. Mahata, there are n number of output lines and there are n number of control lines. How many control lines are required? That is given by the formula. The same formula that is used in multiplexer, that formula is also used to find out the number of control lines in demultiplexers. So what is the formula? The formula is 2 raised to m is equal to n. Display झाला पाहिजे. 2 raised to m is equal to n, where m, that is the number of control lines or number of select line, and n the number of output lines. the same formula 2 raised to n is equal to n is used to find out the number of control lines required to select the output terminal. Sorry. Similar to multiplexer, rotary switch is used to convert many input to single output. Similar to multiplexer. In this case, exactly opposite action is there. Multiplexer में क्या मतलब अपन there are many input one output. In this case, there is one input many output. But to perform this operation, once again the rotary switch is used. But in this case, the rotary switch is connected in opposite way. In multiplexer, तो कैसा जोड़ला होता? Suppose there are 4 input, 4:1 में SP 4 way switch is used. में हा तुमचा 4 way आला SP single pole 4 way आणि हा pole हा आपण कनेक्ट केला. आता याच्यात काय केलं आपण एक्झॅक्टली उलटं झालं. इनपुट अँड आउटपुट्स. मग अशी मग्स मध्ये काय होतं? देर आर 4 इनपुट्स. एक्झाम्पल घेतलं आपण 4 इनपुट्स घेतले. Single output that is connected between these 4 terminals, and in this case exactly opposite action is there. There is only one input and 4 outputs, and that input is connected to that 4 terminals. So multiplexing action, simple multiplexing action is performed by using a rotary switch. Once again इथे काय वापरला आपण? Single pole multi-way, SP7 way, SP12 way. So as per the input terminals, the multi position SP ... way switch may be used. इथे आपण डिस्प्ले करतोय SP n number of inputs. So first output आलं y0, second आलं y1, next y2. So y1, y2, y3 ... yn are the output terminals to which that input data should be connected by using that terminal. So single pole many way switch is used to convert one used to select the output terminal to which the input data should be connected. So friends, now what is the necessity of demultiplexer? आपला demultiplexer कळला. One input many output. आपण ब्लॉक डायग्राम स्टडी केली. आपण स्टडी केली सिंपल मल्टिप्लेक्सिंग ॲक्शन बाय युजिंग सिंपल demultiplexer ॲक्शन by using single pole n number of output ways. But what is the necessity of multiplexer? Necessity of demultiplexer. In multiplexer, we are going to select the data. One of the data is selected and fed to the output terminals, and that data is carried through a particular line, particular cable म्हणू आपण. आणि तो सिग्नल जो आपण केबल थ्रू पास केला तो आपण परत काय करतोय? We have to connect to the particular terminal. समजा आपण इनपुट कन्सिडर केलं. इन केस ऑफ मल्टिप्लेक्सर, if data D2 is selected by using the multiplexer, that data should be connected to the third terminal because D0, D1, D2 are the data inputs. So that D2 data has to be connected to the third terminal, third instrument through Y3. So that data is selected by using multiplexer. It is transmitted by using that cable, by using that bus or by using that wire. तो डाटा जो आपण ट्रान्सफर केला तो आता काय करायचा आपल्याला पर्टिक्युलर टर्मिनलला कनेक्ट करायला पाहिजे. अँड फॉर दॅट पर्पज वी हॅव टू यूज डाटा डिस्ट्रीब्युटर. सो डीमल्टिप्लेक्सर इज बेसिकली वर्क एज अ डाटा डिस्ट्रीब्युटर. तो डाटा अप्लाय केला. तो काय केला आपण y0, y1, y2. तो काय केला इथून हा जो आला हा इकडे y2 ला कनेक्ट झाला आणि y2 ला फेड केलं गेलं. So demultiplexer is used to connect the data to the particular circuit, to particular input terminals, and for that purpose the demultiplexer is used. So demultiplexer, it is data distributor, is going to distribute the data between the output terminals. हा जो demultiplexer जो आहे, that is known as a demux, it can be also used in BCD to decimal decoder, or it is a binary to decimal decoder. में डेसिमल आउटपुट जे आपलं असणार आहे 0 to 9, देर आर 10 आउटपुट्स. त्या 10 आउटपुट्सला आपला डाटा कनेक्ट करायचा आहे पर्टिक्युलर आउटपुट टर्मिनल्सला. अँड फॉर दॅट पर्पज द डीमक्स और डिकोडर, इट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज डिकोडर. इन दॅट केस इट इज नोन एज डिकोडर. वाय इट इज नोन एज डिकोडर हे आपण नंतर पुढे बघणार आहोत. बट इन दॅट केस इट इज बेसिकली अ डीमक्स. So in that case, that binary data is distributed to the output terminal, and for that purpose the demultiplexer is used. So this is the necessity of demultiplexer, because we are selecting the data by using the multiplexer, and now we are to distribute the data, and for that purpose the demultiplexer is used. So friend, that is a basic about the demultiplexer. In next video lecture we are going to study the types of demultiplexer. That is, in case of multiplexer 2:1, demultiplexer 1:2. If it is a 4:1, it is 1:4. If it is a 8:1, it is a 1:8. So in next video lecture we are going to study the first type of demultiplexer, that is 1:2 demults. So friends, thanks for watching this video lecture. Bye, take care, see you again.